Step 1, confirm the power source. You will need a multimeter. Set your multimeter to volts AC. Take the positive lead and put it on the outside leg. Take the black lead and put it on the inside leg, which should be neutral. You should receive 120 volts AC. Take the positive lead and put it on the outside leg. Leave the neutral, which is the black lead, on the same position. You should receive 120 volts AC. On each of the outside legs, you should read 240 volts AC. If the correct voltage is not present, check the breaker box. You could have a tripped breaker. Also, there may be a GFCI on that circuit. Last, check the receptacle. There could be a loose connection. Once you have confirmed proper voltage, unplug the dryer. Take the back of the panel off the dryer. This requires a 1/4-inch nut driver. Locate the thermal fuse. This component should be at the top of the heater box. To test the thermal fuse, disconnect the wires off the leads. Put the multimeter into ohms. Take the two leads. Make sure that it reads 0 ohms by touching them together. Take the positive and negative probe and put it on across the leads of the thermal fuse. You should read 0 ohms. If you do not read 0 ohms, the thermal fuse is bad. There should be another thermal fuse located in the blower housing. Disconnect the leads. Perform a continuity test. You should read 0 ohms. Last but not least, we have the heating element. Disconnect the wire from the terminal strip. Take the leads and do a continuity check to make sure there's no break in the coil. You should read 10 ohms, 10 to 12 ohms, depending on the model. If it's open, you'll read OL, and then the heating element will need to be replaced.